welcome to the next journey. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna go to our next journey. This is our not next journey. We're still trying to open all these eggs, solving the problem. So, what should we do now?
Open another egg, the fifth one.
Oh no. So let's open the fifth one.
There's a minion.
Yep, it's a minion. So easy.
Don't you think it's another duplicate?
Be another duplicate. This is the same. But I can give some paper clips to my teacher if I want to. I don't need scissors now. Can I take off the cover of all of the sticky notes? Why not? Because I don't need to use sticky notes?
Because after that you take it off, if you stick all the dust on it, all the dust will stick on it.
We got 1, 2,
You need a lot of eraser.
4 erasers. Then it will go in my list. All of my P's. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. And I'll only be using minion erasers. That's all things I use. All of these are minions, paper clips, minion sticky notes. Got some stickers, but there was the bracelet one. I hope I get more stickers because I want to stick them everywhere. Or give them to my friends. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And share our videos on social media. On Twitter, anywhere you know.